Hello everyone. So today we are demonstrating our certificate builder. It is completely based on Python, having a basic GUI through which we can control the things and select what is the basic template of our certificate builder and from where we have to take data. That means any kind of Excel sheet. Okay. So in this particular folder, we have the code file and the Excel sheet and the PNG file also. Okay, so if we run this particular code, what will happen? Look, this GUI is generated through which we have to work. So firstly, I have to select the image file. So I'll go to the desktop certificate builder and select this temp.png, and then in Excel file we need to select the name.excel, open. Then I have to set the text origin from where we have to start the text. So I'm just putting it from this particular point and then closing it. Okay, and then approved. After this approval, what will happen? It will just send a basic email with a particular certificate on my system like this certificate of completion, which is showing this is my certificate. Okay, so this is how it works. Yes, so if I have to close this, I just directly close it. Thank you, students. Thank you, everyone.